Morning children, this is Shashi here, and today we are going to study chemistry, which comes under your science subject. Okay, so we were doing this chapter, sorting materials into groups, matter we have seen, classification of matter we have seen, and difference between solid, liquid, and gas we have seen. Okay, now we'll proceed further. So we have seen the three states of matter. Now changes of different states of matter. How does it change from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, and from gas to again liquid, from again liquid to solid? We will see one by one. Okay, so we have seen the changes, three states of matter we have seen: solid, liquid, gas. And now we'll see changes of different states of matter, from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, again gas to liquid, and again liquid to solid. Okay, so one by one we are going to see this. Now the first part we are going to see, that is changes of solid state into liquid state. Okay, have you seen solid changing into liquid state? You must have seen. So the process of changing changing solid into liquid by heating is known as melting or fusion. Okay, the process of changing solid into liquid, solid. Okay, so you can see this is what ice is changing into liquid. Can you see or not? You must have seen. Ice is what it is a solid. Okay, and this ice is changing into what? These waters. And water is what? Water is liquid. So how this ice is changing into liquid? By heating, means some heat is applied. This ice is so much cold, and the heat environment surrounding it is heating, so it is changing into liquid. Okay, so the process of changing solid into liquid, the process of changing solid into liquid by heating is known as melting or fusion. Okay, so different solid will melt at different temperature. Like ice will melt at what temperature? 0 degree Celsius. Silicon will melt at 1410 degree Celsius. Similarly, iron you have to heat at what temperature? 1539 degree Celsius. Then only it will melt. Aluminum up to 660 degree Celsius or more than that you have to heat, then only aluminum will melt. Or you can say aluminum from solid, it will change into liquid at what temperature? 660 degree Celsius. Okay, so the temperature at which solid changes into liquid, okay, this temperature is called as what? Melting point. Okay, so temperature at which solid start melting is termed as melting point. Okay, so simply what is your melting or fusion? Melting means solid changing to liquid. Okay, this process, solid changing to liquid, by what? By heating. This process is called as what? This process is called as melting. Okay, and the temperature at which solid starts melting is called as melting point. Like aluminum is changing into liquid at what temperature? 660 degrees Celsius. So 660 degrees Celsius is the melting point of the aluminum. Got it? Now look at here, I have taken aluminum. Okay, I have taken aluminum, and now we will heat the aluminum. Now look at here, aluminum is heated more than 660. Okay, now this aluminum has changed into liquid. See this liquid part, you can see this liquid part. This has changed into liquid. So it has changed into liquid. How? By heating it. Okay, see, So aluminum is being heated, then it is changing into liquid. Okay, so you can see this is the liquid form of aluminum. How it has changed into liquid? By heating. So this process is called as what? Melting. This process is called as. Now come to another one. When liquid state changes into gaseous state. Okay, so the process of changing liquid into the gaseous state on heating is called as boiling. Okay, so what is boiling? Boiling means liquid is changing into what? Liquid is changing into gas. By how it is changing into gas? By heating. Okay, so this process is called as what? This process is called as boiling. Okay, so you can see here, here water is there. Okay, and we are heating burner flame, you can see, and we are heating it. Okay, then this liquid is changing into gases. Can you see or not? So liquid, this water is changing into gases. So this process is called as what? This process is called as boiling. Okay, so this process is called as boiling. Now what is boiling point? Boiling point means the temperature. At what temperature? Suppose I am heating this at 100 degrees Celsius, and it is changing into gas. So 100 degrees Celsius is called the boiling point. So what is boiling? Boiling means the process of changing liquid to gases is called as boiling. Okay, here there is another figure. We are burning, liquid is there, and it is changing into gases. So this process is called as what? This process is called as boiling. What do we call it? Boiling. The process of changing liquid into gas by heating. By how it is changing? By heating. This process is called as what? Boiling. Okay. And what is boiling point? What is boiling point? The temperature at which liquid start boiling is known as boiling point. At what temperature? Like pure water. Pure water is changing from liquid to gas. At what temperature? 100 degrees Celsius. So 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of pure water. Okay. Like methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is liquid. Now if we'll heat it, then it will change into gas at what temperature? 64.5 degrees Celsius. So 64.5 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of methyl alcohol. Okay, so what is boiling point? Boiling point means temperature at which liquid start boiling is known as boiling point, and the process of changing liquid into gaseous state by heating is called as boiling. Okay, so what is boiling and what is boiling point? This is clear to you? Now there is one term, condensation. Now gaseous state to liquid state means gas is changing to liquid. Gas is changing to what? Liquid. Okay, so when gas will change into liquid state, then it will be called as what? Condensation. Okay, so the process of converting vapor into liquid by cooling. Earlier we have seen by heating. Now it is by cooling. It is called as condensation. Okay, so here also pure water will this is the another one, freezing point. Now so simply what is condensation? Condensation means the process of converting vapor into liquid. Vapor means what? Gas. Gas is changing into liquid. This process is called as what? Condensation. Okay, this process is condensation. Now here is one example. Here is one example of condensation. Can you see the droplets on the water bottle? Okay, how it has changed into droplets, liquid. In surrounding there were water molecules were there. In surrounding to the bottle, water molecules were there. not water molecules, water vapor were there, and water vapor is what? Gas. So surrounding this bottle gas was there. Okay, and now when these gases came into contact with this bottle, so it has become cool. Now after cooling, the gas has changed into liquid. You must have seen, if you'll take a glass of cool drink, inside this glass what is there? Cool drink is there. What is there? Cool drink is there. Okay, cold drink is there. Okay, now surrounding this glass, what is there? Air molecules are there. What is there? Air molecules are there. Okay, now when these air molecules are coming into contact with this glass, here inside the glass cold drink is there, and when these gas molecules are coming in contact with the cold drinks, so cold drink is too much cold, isn't it? It is cool in temperature. So these gases are becoming cold. So when gases is becoming cold, then it is converting into what? Liquid. Okay, this is converting into liquid. This process is called as what? Condensation. This process is called as what? Condensation. Okay, so same thing I have shown you over there. Look at here, these molecules, water molecules. Can you see these water molecules? They were in the gaseous form in the air. They were in the gaseous form in the air. When they came into contact with the cold surface of the bottle, then they converted into liquid and liquid droplets. Okay, so this process is called as what? Condensation. Okay, so what is condensation? So the process of converting vapor into liquid by cooling, can you see? By cooling is called as what? Condensation. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now there is one term, sublimation. Can you see here? Sublimation. What is sublimation? When solid will directly change into gas. Solid will directly change into gas. This process is called as what? This process is called as sublimation. Okay, so what is sublimation? This solid will directly change into gas. Okay, then this process is called as what? This process is called as sublimation. Okay, so the process of changing solid directly into gas is called as sublimation. Can you think any example? Okay, I'm showing you. Okay, now just look at here, sublimation. How we can see the sublimation? See, there is one solid and we are hitting the solid. Solid is there and we are hitting the solid. Okay, now this solid is directly changing into what? Gas, isn't it? Look at here, this solid is directly changing into gas. So this process is called as what? Sublimation. Okay, now one last point we are going to discuss, that is freezing. What is freezing? So what is freezing? So the process of converting liquid into solid is termed as a what? Freezing. You must have seen water changes into ice. So water is what? Liquid, and liquid again it is becoming ice. So ice is what? Solid. So this process converting of liquid into solid state is termed as what? Freezing. Got it? Okay, now just look at here, there is water. Water is there, can you see or not? In the glass water is there. Now if we will cool it, if we'll cool the water, what will happen? Look at here, if we are going to cool the water, then slowly it is changing into ice. So water is what? Liquid. From liquid it is converting into ice. Ice is what? Solid. So process of changing liquid into solid is called as what? Freezing. Okay, so this process, so just now I have shown you the process that liquid, that is your water, changing into solid, this is termed as what? Freezing. We keep water into freezer or not, and it becomes ice. Ice is what? Solid. So this process is called as what? Freezing. And the temperature at which the liquid changes into solid is called as freezing point. Okay, point means temperature. Okay, like boiling point. So the temperature it starts boiling, that is called as boiling point. The temperature at which it starts converting from liquid to solid is freezing point. Okay, so I hope till now whatever I have discussed you have understood, and you'll able to give the answer whatever I'll ask. Okay, so I'll give you some questions and you'll try to complete all the questions. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.